Hi friends, welcome to all. I'm Maruti B. Gowda, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Srimati Indira Gandhi, Government First Year Women's College, Sagar. Today I am going to present my PPT on Introduction to Short Story. This topic is prescribed for BA first year optional students under Kuempu University, Shimoga. This is my first PPT presentation in short story section. As far as concerned to the BA first year optional students under Kuempu University, Shimoga, this is the 31st session. Uh, Friends, in this slide, recap of previous class. So this is my first class in short story section. Uh, Lesson review. So this topic is to introduce the students a new literary form, that is short story form. Okay. Objectives of this chapter. Friends, we have to study many aspects in this short story. Let us know one by one. First one is what is short story. Second one is story setting. Third one is characterization. Next one is plot and structure, narrator and point of view, conflicts and climax. Last one is theme and style. So let us study in detail one by one. First one is what is short story. Short form of narrative prose writing is called short story. This story is written on single event, and short story has a limited scope. It has an introduction, body and conclusion. Let us know about a definition. A short story is one that holds all the elements of a story in a shorter format. Next slide is on story setting. Story setting has many aspects. First one is description of time, place, and action. Second one, geography, weather, time of the day, social conditions, etc. Last one is the short story includes ideas, customs, values, and beliefs. Next, let us come to the characterization. In a short story, there are many aspects as far as concerned to the characterization. Let us know in detail. There are only a few characters in a short story. One central character or protagonist. Characters can be people, animals, or whatever the writer chooses. Last point is describing the characters by physical appearance, thoughts and feelings and interaction. Let us come to the plot and structure of a short story. First point is that plot is the main sequence of events in a story. Each event leads to the next. There are chronological plot, linear plot, etc. Plot and structure can be divided into 5 stages. First one is exposition, second one is rising action, third one is climax, fourth one is falling action, last one is resolution. Next, let us come to the narrator and point of view. It refers to the relationship of the narrator or storyteller to the story. A short story is written in first person point of view. The narrator is a character in the story and referred to as I, that is first person. In the third person, the narrator reveals the thoughts of only one character, referring to them as he or she, that is third person. Let us come to the conflicts and climax of short story. Conflict or tension is the heart of the short story. There are two types in short story, internal conflict and external conflict. Next point is climax. Climax is the major turn of the story which leads to the conclusion. Uh, Example, conflict. Conflict happens man versus man, man versus self, man versus society, man versus fate, man versus nature, man versus technology, etc. Theme and style. So in this slide, we are knowing about the theme and style of a story. Theme is the main idea, message, a story about the human condition, society or life. It implied theme, what message about life. So most of the stories will have a moral message about the life of human beings. So last point is style. Uh, as far as concerned to the story writing, style is very important. So in style, use of language, symbolism, figures of speech, etc. are important. Session outcomes. So this topic is to enable students to learn and express their creative talents through reading various short stories. Prerequisites. Knowing elements of the short story like story, character, plot setting, outline, etc. are important. Onwards, main content. Here, title, subtitle, author, characters, the beginning, body, and end of the story, theme, and conclusion are important in the onwards, main contents. Session summary. Let us come to the session summary. In this session, we explained the introduction to the short story in which we highlighted the elements or sharing objectives of the short story, the story setting, characterization, plot, structure, narrator's point of view, conflicts, climax, theme and style are the main aspects of the short story. Friends, we are at the end of the topic. At the end of this topic, we have multiple choice questions. Let us know one by one. The first question is, the short story is a short form of dash writing. Friends, there are four options. You have to select one of the suitable answer out of four options. Let us know. Option A, analytical. Option B, critical. Option C, narrative. Option D, descriptive. So you have to select the suitable answer out of these four options. The right answer is C. Narrative is the right answer. Which of the following, friends, let us come to the second question. Which of the following is not applicable to the short story? Here also there are four options. Option A, action. Option B, time. Option C, language. Option D, practical. The right answer is D. Practical is the right answer. Okay, let us come to the question number 3. The characterization deals with dash. Here also there are four options. Option A character. Option B, a characters. Option C, a villain. Option D, a hero. The right answer is B, characters. The characterization deals with characters. Okay, let us come to the question number 4. Internal conflict is within the dash. Here also there are four options. Option A, character. Option B, story. Option C, plot. Option D, climax. The right answer is D. Climax is the right answer. Okay, let us come to the last question. The short story usually gives a dash message. Here also there are four options. Option A, moral. Option B, scientific. Option C, political. Option D, educational. The right answer is A. Moral is the right answer for this question. Friends, I am going to end this meeting. Friends, if you want more information regarding the introduction to short story, you have to follow these references. Friends, I am going to end this meeting and this session. Let us meet again in our next session. Thank you one and all.